All right, we're not just a pressure washing company, are we? We're problem solving. So I had that stuff all stacked over there for years. Grass grew up, all this stuff. So I weed eated it and pulled all this junk out. Some of it's going to go in the garage sale, some of it's going to be cleaned up with a power washer, right? We have a power washer, we can rejuvenate things. I've had this huge problem for years because a couple things. It may look simple to you, but it's not. This expanded and it got too tight in here. It won't close. The wind from the west blows the wind here. Lots of wind in Oklahoma. Open and shut, open and shut. It's kind of tore it all up, right? I had a gate there. It's expanded. Now it's too close together. Now it won't close. The dogs get out from underneath there. I got this little, my cat trying to get out. The dogs get out from underneath there somehow. I don't know. Gotta fix this though. All right, number of ways to fix. See, it won't close. You can't put a latch there because it will not close. It will blow open, blow close. We've been putting trash cans in front of it. Anyway, how would you fix this problem? How do you fix this problem? It needs to be shorter, right? That doesn't help. This only lifts the gate straight up. Those bars only lift the gate straight up. So what would you do? And I'll tell you my plan. Okay, here's my plan. I looked at shortening it here, shortening it there. I realized the easiest way to do this is to, there's already a split here, cut it right about along that line. Pull the door off, cut it, pull where it's already split, and look. The overlap is about that same width, isn't it? So all I have to do, take this off, take this off, take this off, then cut that part out where it's already split, move the door over, bolt it back in. Easiest way to fix this, am I right? All right, if you don't have yourself a tool set, get yourself a tool set. There we go. You know, my first instinct is to take these and put them over there, then take the door off and carry the door. Why would I do that? Just put it right here, you know? Thinking about the future. Okay, the hardest part is putting the door back on, trying to make that even. So I've added shims and moved it up and down. And there's a lot of water that comes through here, a lot of mud comes through here, has to be fixed. There's a hill over there. Anyway, it slopes down. I think I've got it pretty even, close enough to finish this job. Now it's time for testing. I managed to lose a bolt, but I found another one somewhere. Because the wind destroyed this fence. It just rocks it back and forth, and eventually it broke the whole bracket off. But now it opens perfectly. It also broke this little stake thing here. It's supposed to go in the ground. I do like these support wheels. Whoever put this together did that. All right. Okay, so here is the almost finished product. So what I did is I ordered this, and it came within 4 hours from Amazon. It was at my front door. Couldn't believe it. So this is only $5 or $6. Link in the description if you want it. All right, so the problem is still here of that it does that. So the wind will eventually, we get really strong winds here in Oklahoma, sometimes up to 70, 80 miles per hour. I'm not kidding. the wind will tear that apart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one of those stakes. I'm going to fix that stake down here, and I'm thinking I'm going to dig a post hole here, drop in some cement, put in a PVC pipe, so this thing will go down into. The problem is, if you don't do that something hard, it will get muddy here and it will just wiggle anyway, and it will get so muddy here that it's the same thing as not having anything at all. So I'm gonna pour some cement here, drop that into a PVC hole, then maybe both sides, and this thing will not move, because right now it's a big problem. It will get torn apart, it will. Anyway, this is the partially finished product. The stakes are coming tomorrow. Here we go.